Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Valley National Bancorp's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Valley National Bancorp, a regional bank with over $62 billion in assets, has just released its Q4 2024 earnings. There's a lot to unpack, from net income figures to strategic initiatives, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Valley National Bancorp reported a net income of $115.7 million for Q4 2024, translating to an earnings per share of 20 cents. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Valley National Bancorp has shown a steady increase in net income from $97.9 million in Q3 2024 and $71.6 million in Q4 2023. However, when we look at the adjusted EPS, which is 13 cents, it falls short of the analyst's forecast of 14 cents. This indicates some underlying challenges despite the overall growth in net income.
And what about their total revenue?
Total revenue for the quarter was $474.2 million, which is a slight increase from the previous quarter. This growth is primarily driven by an increase in net interest income, which we'll discuss in more detail later.
Net interest income and margin. Net interest income is a crucial metric for banks. Valley National Bancorp reported $424.3 million in net interest income for Q4 2024. How significant is this figure, John?
This is a notable increase of $12.5 million from Q3 2024 and $25.7 million from Q4 2023. The net interest margin also improved to 2.92%, up by 6 basis points from the previous quarter. This improvement is largely due to a decline in the cost of deposits and higher yields from their securities portfolio.
What about their interest expenses?
Interest expenses decreased by $38.2 million, primarily due to lower costs on most interest-bearing deposit products. This reduction in expenses has positively impacted their net interest income and margin.
Loan portfolio and credit quality. Moving on to the loan portfolio, Valley National Bancorp reported a total of $48.8 billion in loans. However, there was a decrease of $555.6 million. Can you explain this, John?
The decrease is primarily due to normal repayment activity and the sale of commercial real estate loans. Despite this, there was growth in commercial and industrial loans by $132.1 million, indicating a strategic focus on expanding this category.
And how is their credit quality looking?
Credit quality remains a concern, with non-accrual loans increasing to $359.5 million. This rise is mainly driven by higher non-accrual commercial loan balances, which the bank will need to address moving forward.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Let's discuss the strategic initiatives and future outlook. CEO Ira Robbins mentioned a focus on profitability and core deposit growth. What are your thoughts on this strategy?
CEO Ira Robbins highlighted the successful execution of balance sheet initiatives, which have strengthened their financial position. The growth in lower-cost core deposits by $274.9 million is a positive sign, supporting their net interest margin expansion. Additionally, their efficiency ratio improved to 57.21%, indicating better cost management.
What can we expect from Valley National Bancorp in 2025?
The bank is focusing on driving shareholder value through improved profitability and growth in core commercial banking relationships. With ongoing expense management and a favorable yield curve, they are well positioned for continued growth in 2025.
Key takeaways. In summary, Valley National Bancorp has shown solid performance in Q4 2024 with a net income of $115.7 million and a focus on strategic growth. However, the adjusted EPS of 0.13 cents fell slightly short of expectations. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Valley National Bancorp's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Valley National Bancorp's performance in the comments below. Until next time.